Hello, my name is Jenna Jacobs. I chose Friedrich Frobel in the kindergarten movement basically because I have a high interest in kindergarten and early childhood development and interventions. Half of my 12 years of teaching have been in the kindergarten setting, and so it was very interesting to me to kind of see the idea of kindergarten and where it came from and the beliefs early on for children of that age. So, just a little background on that. Friedrich Frobel established the first kindergarten in Germany in 1837. Frobel believed the primary aim of the school should be the development of the native endowments of the individual child through self-expression, which was encouraged by an active curriculum that included games, singing, or any number of creative and spontaneous activities. He believed that education should begin early on, as early as ages 3 to 4 years old, and that play was the best environment for these children for their learning. Frobel believed children were being instructed previously before, well, he believed that children were being instructed in ways that they did not need. Schools instead should be the place to which the pupil comes to know the interrelationship of things. Things meaning God, man, nature, and unity. Lessons should appeal to the pupil's interests and not just a transmission of knowledge. So, not transition of knowledge, but also focusing on the development of character and who that child is. He had a great emphasis on play in education, and that the teacher's role was to just kind of watch as they play to see how that child is developing and how they could best steer them in the right direction. Society thought back then that children were defective miniature adults who needed correction by discipline, but Frobel thought they should be encouraged to learn about the world around them through creative, imaginative, and spontaneous play. The kindergarten day should start with songs and then move into play with a series of toys, which he called gifts. Children ages 3 to 6 were not ready for traditional schoolwork, and so he had this alternative mindset of play. And that he believed also that women should be the ones to teach them because he believed that early education was an extension of mothering, and who better to do that than women? And that the first American public school kindergarten was opened in the 1870s in St. Louis. So this was just a little bit of the background knowledge that I found on the kindergarten movement, and I thought it was very interesting that to see the pendulum swing back and forth over the years of traditional schoolwork, and we're kind of moving back into the role of play, imaginative play, and development of the character of a child. So I really enjoyed learning more about the kindergarten movement. Thank you.